My name is Mikhail Xavier, if this is your first time tuning in, and I am so happy that you guys decided to click on my video and join me on my journey on moving out of this hellhole of an apartment. And it's finally time to get this started. So, I'm literally right now just so excited. If you guys cannot tell, obviously I am moving out of my apartment. I finally found a new place to move, and I really am so thrilled to show you guys this whole journey and experience of moving out of this nasty place. I'm like, my room is a mess right now. Like, I really don't even want you guys to see behind me. Stop looking, stop looking, stop looking. Like I told you guys in my previous video, which I will link down below, or maybe somewhere in the screen right here, I'm not too sure. Kind of how, like, I didn't have hot water for about 2 weeks. I had 2 stoves in my apartment, but none of them were hooked up for about 2 weeks. And I didn't have heat the week of my finals. Don't even talk about it, because I'm still pissed about that. Anyways, I'm getting the opportunity to move out. My landlord actually just decided that he wanted to break our lease. I just feel so, like, so relieved. Like, I'm not even stressed about this move. I just want to get it done. Like, just want to get it done, just want to be moved into my new place and living my life, continuing to be a full-time student, full-time worker, and whatever else decides to pop into my life at that point in time, because right now I'm a full-time mover. But how about you guys just stay tuned? I am packing, like I said. Right now my room is a mess. Like, half of my closet is already, like, away. Like, I kind of already got half of it out. That is going to be the first things that I am moving on this journey. I am splitting this move into 2 parts, so hopefully all of, like, kind of like the smaller things right now that can fit into my car, because I do drive a 2-door car. If you guys have not seen when I did get my car, I got my car in my what's my birthday video, which I will post it down below. So yeah, like, I just personally am just so excited just to be moving. And I just want to move my stuff now, and I want this to be the easiest move I've ever done before, because I'm doing most of this move by myself. And I'm doing this because personally it's no one else's responsibility to move me out of my apartment. It's my own responsibility to move myself out of my apartment. So I'm going to figure it out as I go along, you know. So I think I'm gonna just get back to you guys when I'm loading up the car, because right now I don't think I can really, like, record and do this at the same time. Maybe I can. We're gonna find a way. Just stay tuned and keep on watching my journey on moving out of my apartment in Manhattan and moving to Brooklyn, New York. I'll see you guys later. Alexa, play Spotify.
Resuming Spotify.
Took your bitch at the party.
God.
I took your bitch in the party.
God.
Who that be fly as a Martian?
God.
Who that I'm flicking the cut?
God.
Who got the drinks in the
tub? God.
Them dimes gon' hit like a bitch on a bitch ass bitch. Bitch, you want one? So hi guys, so I'm currently outside, double parked, my car's packed, and I'm about to head off. So let's just see, I kind of have my suitcase there and just a bunch of, like, bins back there, shoes, and then my whole trunk is actually filled with a bunch of clothes. Like I said, I put all of my clothes into garbage bags, and then I just personally have the hangers sticking out, so then I can just hang them right when I get there. So we're about to leave. And again, I've done every single thing from loading the car, packing my room, and everything by myself. No help, nothing. You can do this by yourself as long as you truly believe in yourself. I'm a full-time student, I work full-time, and I'm moving in the middle of the week, and I'm not taking any days off because I know I can. So if you know that you can do something, just go after it and do it, because I promise you, you will surprise yourself on what you can actually accomplish. Like, it's kind of amazing. Oh yeah, let's go on this journey, guys. Hi guys, so I just got to my new apartment. I am actually standing inside of the new apartment right now. I am so in love with it. I already walked around already one time, again, but this is going to be my first tour for you guys. So when you enter on the top floor, this is going to be what you enter into, and this is going to be kind of like our dining room, kitchen area, like our eating and kitchen area. We do have Bluetooth all around our apartment, so we can play music throughout. We have over here just like a little intercom, video intercom, with a remote for our air conditioning in this one room. So all of the rooms have air conditioning that you can control with your own remote, and it will control the settings of your air conditioning, and I'm pretty sure it's heat too, so you can do different temps. And then this is going to be our kitchen area where you can cook and prepare your food, obviously. And then if you go this way, okay, so this is one room, and you walk in, it's kind of just everything. You walk a little bit further, this is her kitchenette section, and then she has a bathroom right here. Her bathroom's really big compared to mine. really nice. But the one bad thing about this room is that it has no window. Like, the only window that it basically has is this window that opens up to the hallway. That's the hallway right there. Alright, and then you can come out, and then we have I have two other roommates right there. So this is one of the roommates' rooms. It just has things. Then you can see that this is the bathroom. Again, a lot of the bathrooms look exactly the same. And this is to the backyard, but I'm not gonna go back up there right now. So this room does have a way to get out to our backyard that we do have. The backyard's gorgeous, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna go out, we'll see. And then that's their closet. And then if you go back this way, back out into the hallway, and then go into this room, this is actually the biggest room that is in the house, basically like the master. And right here is their kitchenette space that they have, and then you walk down their hallway. This is their bathroom. Their bathroom's huge. Well, not huge, it's kind of like the same size as mine pretty much, just a little bit smaller. And then keep on walking through, and this is their room. It's a really nice sized room, and they also have a way just to go out the back right there. It's really gorgeous. I love this. When you exit, this is going to be our spiral staircase to go down the stairs. And this way we have the back door. And then if you go this way, this is one of my other roommates' rooms. And they have their kitchenette space. This room is kind of big, really, but they only have one window and a tiny closet. And their bathroom is really small as well. So, I don't know, I don't really want to be in the shower and washing my hands and on the toilet at the same time. That's just not something I'm looking to do, personally. And then, if you go this way, this is going to be like basically our living room. Down here, it's pretty much the same thing. We have like an intercom. We have the surround sound Bluetooth for our music. And just our air conditioning and our remote for the air conditioning is that way. And then if you walk this way on the other side of the living room, this is my room. So you walk this way, and this is going to be my bathroom. It is a pretty big size, I think, personally. I love it, and the ambiance on the back wall, brick wall, is so nice, like gorgeous, guys. I think this is truly why I fell in love with this place. As you can see, I already brought stuff from my car. And then this is pretty much my living space. I don't really know how I'm gonna decorate it. My microwave and my refrigerator is brand new, so it's not in my kitchenette area. My kitchenette area is not too big, but I think it's a good size for me personally. That's where my fridge would go, and this is where my microwave would go. So I finally moved everything from out of my car and into my new apartment. To be honest, I just want to see how my bed's going to fit in here first of all before I really start getting too excited. I think it's gonna fit nice. I just don't know how I'm gonna put it, and I think I'm gonna still have ample space for my desk, for all the other things that I have so much stuff, like that, let's be honest. And let me tell you, my clothes is just ridiculous. Like, that's all of it. All the stuff that's hanging. I still have to bring my drawer set, but this is all that's hanging. I don't think I'm gonna open them up yet, just because I'm not here, so I don't want my stuff to be exposed while I'm not here. I'm probably gonna shut this too. I'm gonna show you guys outside. Since I didn't show you guys outside, I'm probably gonna leave soon and head back home. I'm pretty tired and I have to find parking back at home. And now this backyard is only for us on the bottom floor, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Oh my god, it's so nice. I think they have a balcony up there. Stop. But I love this backyard, it's so nice. So this is like the two ways that they can come out through the backyard, from that way or from this way. But yeah, this is my apartment, guys. I can't wait to fully move in on Tuesday and start living here. So yeah, guys, that's my apartment. I'll see you guys on Tuesday. I'm really excited to continue this video. I'll talk to you guys soon. Love you guys.